there, and welcome to the Ingles table.
Today we're whipping up a fun favorite, perfect for your next party.
It's our chicken poppers paired with our very own Unicoi Preserves cherry jalapeno spread.
So to get started, we're going to start with some Harvest Farms chicken tenders and some Laura Lynn premium bacon. What I've done, for prep work, I've already sliced the tenders into thirds and cut our bacon into thirds. So Susie,
that's a 1-to-1 ratio,
how
Clark.
about that? It's easy to remember.
So I'm going to put some barbecue seasoning on. Just use your favorite onto the cut up chicken and just give that a little mixy mix. All right, chicken looks great.
All right, so she's going to help me assemble these.
So we're going to do chicken, pepper.
Tell them what kind of peppers those are.
Oh, these are delicious. I found these in the pickle aisle at Ingles. They're Laura Lynn sweet and spicy jalapeno slices.
So I just wrap the bacon around it.
Okay, oh, you're already ahead of me. I better hurry up, pick up the slack here. There we go, chicken, pepper, bacon.
We've got our oven preheated to 425. These are gonna bake for 13 to 15 minutes. It really depends on the thickness of your chicken.
It also depends on your oven. But we've got this whole recipe online. If you visit the website, Clark, what's that address?
Ingles-markets.com. So once these cook in the oven and get almost done, we're gonna pull them out, glaze them with our Unicoi Preserves cherry jalapeno spread.
I'm gonna put some more of our barbecue rub just sprinkled on the top. Adds another layer of flavor. And it also looks pretty once it bakes up. You're gonna have little crystals, so it provides some more interest.
I'm gonna pop these in the oven, 425 degrees. I'm gonna set the timer for 13 minutes. We'll check it. It might need a little bit longer, but we'll show you what they look like before we glaze them.
We'll be right back. It smells like bacon happiness in here, Clark.
That must mean the poppers are ready. Let me check on them in the oven.
Awesome.
Oh yeah, looking delicious.
All right. I've got a trivet right here for you because that is hot. I can feel the heat coming off that oven.
I'm gonna turn the broiler on.
Okay, cool.
Watch out, the pot is hot.
Woo.
All right.
Now, we told you that we're including our new Unicoi Preserves cherry jalapeno spread.
So what we're gonna do is just put a little dollop on top of each popper.
All right, I'll hold this. How about that? Is that all right?
This will melt as it goes in the oven and form a glaze.
So what Clark has done, he's preheated the oven to the broil.
All right.
Very nice.
We're gonna put these back in the oven under the broiler, watch them carefully, and we'll come back and show you how we plate them up for serving to your guests in just a second.
I'm gonna set the timer for 1 minute because hot is hot. Gosh, they smell good, Clark.
Man, those look fabulous. That was just 1 minute. If they went much longer than that, they'd be burned.
So I'm gonna put them on our board.
A little bit of sweet, a little bit of heat, a little bit of smoky from the bacon, and that seasoning that we use. All right, that looks good.
I think that looks great.
I want to thank you so much for joining us here at the Ingles table.
Make sure and explore the site for more great tips, tricks, and recipes.
Find us online at ingles-markets.com.
We'll see you next time.